Put the walnuts in boiling water. Everyone should know this holiday trick. Start with about half a kilogram of walnuts in their shells. Place a pan or pot on the stove, add the walnuts, cover them with boiling water, and cook for 10 minutes, stirring to make sure they cook evenly. Then, drain and let them cool. Once cooled, you can easily crack them by hand. Boiling makes walnuts easy to crack, and you'll get whole pieces without needing a nutcracker. You can also use a small knife to split the shells, ensuring the nut remains intact. After cracking all the walnuts, select 12 of the best pieces and set them aside. Chop the rest and transfer them to a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of shredded coconut and 6 tablespoons of honey, mixing until smooth. Grease your hands and form balls from the mixture, flattening them into rounds. This should yield 12 portions. Melt a bar of white chocolate in a double boiler. Prepare a muffin tray with paper liners, and add a bit of chocolate to each. Chill until set. Place the walnut rounds onto the hardened chocolate and gently press. Then, melt 2 bars of dark chocolate. Spread it over each walnut cookie and let it set. Garnish with the reserved walnut pieces and shredded coconut. These no-bake walnut cookies are ready to enjoy. Easy to make and delicious. What's your favorite nut-based cookie?